Hey guys, today's my topic is OOPS concept. Then we will see first polymorphism. Polymorphism express one interface having multiple functions. It means many forms in the one interface. And in this program create different functions with same name but declare different parameters. First we will see first function is a sum and second is a sum. It means same name but different parameters. Then these functions declare in the main method with the values. Then we will see next concept is the encapsulation. Encapsulation, whenever we are create same name A, B, C variable, then we are also create same name variable. They doesn't affect on first variable A, B, C. It means create with same numbers variables, same names. Then we will see next concept is abstraction. Abstraction is a process hiding details of application from outer world. It means only show IMP things, not all the things. Then we will see create abstract class, then create abstract method, then this abstract method implementation. Then we will see inheritance. Inheritance, one class acquire property of another class. It means create first class A. This class derive with class B. Then this class derive with class C. It means first class A, class B extend A, then class C extend B. That's it. It is the concept of the OOPS.
Please share, like and subscribe my channel for more updated videos. Thank you.